What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna do a quick video on the installation of the fog lights for a 2012 Audi A5. Now you asking yourself why I got 4 fog lights covers when there's only 2. I ordered the incorrect size for these, but they have the black seal here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this black seal and put it on the chrome cover here. But I really want to show you how to take that cover off, and once I show you how to take that cover off to replace that. So I have my pry tool, and let's get started. Let's see if we can pry this out. Right out there. Out. Take that out just like that. It's out now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch these. This is the correct one, but I'm gonna change this chrome out. All right, got that on. So I'm about to try to install it now. Let's see if we can. Oh yeah, yeah. Yep. Match the grill. See, what you want to do is you want to look for the hole. Take your pry tool, work it out. And then once you work it out, just pop it out. Yep. Here. Alright. That's it. That's it and that's all. Much clean look. Alright, thank you for watching.